want to go over what standard base pages you should have. Now, to clarify, a standard base page is pretty much a page that every website should have. And it's also a page that Google expects to see on your website too. And if you don't have these pages, then it can potentially have a negative impact on the trust that Google has with your website, which will have a negative impact on your website's visibility. It's also a good idea to have these pages for the users as well, as some users will want to use them. So what are these base pages I'm referring to? Well, the first is going to be an about page. Now, I know what you're thinking, Josh, I'm making an affiliate site. I am not a local business. Why do I need an about page? And again, it just goes back to having the standard pages that Google expects to see and helping us increase trust with users by having these pages on our website. So pretty much every website should have an about page. Now, don't worry, it doesn't need to be anything crazy whatsoever. Some about pages I've seen literally have over 1,000 words. I mean, who even... Your about pages can literally be just a few sentences. It should simply give the user a bit more context about the website. Since you have grabbed this course and you are watching it, to make things easier for you, I will share with you the exact template that I use for all of my affiliate websites. It's pretty much a template. You just go in and fill it out. Don't worry about trying to screenshot this, as what I'm going to do is slide over to my browser and I'll walk you through the template and exactly how you can adapt it to suit your website. There are a few sections to it. We have the about section at the top. Then we've got meet the team section, which by the way is optional. And then below that I have popular posts, which is pretty much where I link to other articles, which I want to get more internal links to. So let me walk you through it and show you how you can swap out this for your site. So the about us section says, welcome to our website. Website name is a dedicated blog that helps you find the best insert niche for your specific requirement. So website name would be my website name, which is Cutting HQ. Help you find the best insert niche. Well, what am I promoting? I'm promoting the best table saws. There we go. That's now filled in. We've been in the niche industry for many years, but have a specific focus on insert niche. So what niche am I in? Well, I'm in the table saw niche, or I could go one level higher back and go for woodworking, as that is actually the main industry we are in. And we have a specific focus on what insert niche. Again, that'll be a breakdown of the niche. So we are working on table saws. So I'll put in right here, table saws. The main goal of this website is to help educate you and guide you to making the best purchase decisions. Our team are always on the lookout for new and upcoming insert products. Again, that would be table saws for me that enter the market. So rest assured, our content will always be relevant and contain the latest product information in the industry. We hope that you enjoy and support our website. And that is it. You can literally just use this and not have any issues whatsoever. However, if you do find you have multiple people writing for your blog, maybe you're hiring different writers, then feel free to add the meet the team section and list out all those writers. Of course, make sure you have their permission first. And then once you start adding more content to your site, you can link to your popular post. And lastly, I round it all off with inserting a relevant image. So what I'm going to do is, since I've modified this, I'm going to go ahead and copy this and I'll add it to my website. So I'll go into pages, as I want to be using a page for this about page. And then I'm simply going to paste it in right here. And I'm going to change this title to say about us, like so. So I've got my text in below. I'm not going to have the meet the team section just for the purpose of this training course. But what we'll do is add in a relevant image. I currently don't have any posts on my website, so I can't link to them. Although when I do post them, I can just go back to my about page and add in the links. So when it comes to using relevant images, what you can use is this website right here called Pixabay. It's a website that has lots of images you can use for free. They're all royalty free. Just simply search for something related to your niche. I can go for like table saw, and I can use what I think could be a good fit. Maybe something like this will do. And it's free download. I'll go for 1080p, click download. Nope, not a robot. And then what I'll do is I'll go back to my website. I'll then put in a comma like so, click plus, and I'm gonna go for an image. And let's go ahead and upload the image. So we'll go for the one we just downloaded, table saw. And here we have it. We've got our image now uploading in the background. Here is our about page. We can change a permalink URL structure if we want, as we went through that in the last video. And once you're all good to go, just go ahead and click publish. publish. Oh, one thing I forgot to do is actually change these from bold. You don't want to have bold in there. You definitely don't want that, as that looks a little bit unnatural. So make sure it looks how it should, and then let's just click re-update on that. And then let's have a look at how the page looks. Here we have it. Here is our about page. We've got an image, probably a little bit too big, should be a little bit smaller, but you get the idea. This is pretty much all you need for your about page. So the second type of page you need on your website is going to be your contact page. Again, just like the about page, every website should have a contact page. Most themes will automatically already come with a built out contact page. So all you need to do is just make sure you've got one there and it is live. However, rest assured, if you do not have one with your current theme, then I'll show you how you can create one. So first thing is log into your WordPress website. Go down to plugins and then click add new. And we're going to install a plugin called WordPress Forms, or WP Forms. Carry out a search for that in the plugin search bar, and it's going to be this one right here by WordPress Forms. Contact Forms by WordPress Forms, drag and drop form builder. The reason why we're going to use this one is because it's very easy to create a form. In fact, they actually even come with templates which you can just install and run right out of the box, as I'm about to show you. So once you've installed it, click create your first form. Then go for this option right here, simple contact form, and then click use template. And as you can see, it is pretty much a simple contact form. You can drag and drop multiple items from the options on the left-hand side if you want, checkboxes, sliders, capture, but however, we are building out an affiliate website, so you probably want to keep things as simple as possible. And once you're happy with the form, you can obviously go in and delete some of this stuff if you don't want. You want to click embed, then select new page. And let's name the page. We'll just call this Contact Us. Let's go. And here we have it. It's already created. We have the URL structure set. Go ahead and publish. And we now have a contact form on our website. So those are the two base pages that every website should have. Number one, an about page. And number two, a contact page. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be going through the other types of pages you should have, which are what we call your legal pages. I'll see you there.